In SketchUp, materials don't only live on faces. Groups and components can also hold materials. When a group has a material, SketchUp applies that material to any face that is still set to the default material. If a face has its own material, it always overrides the group material. This behavior is intentional and has been part of SketchUp since the beginning. This system works well for quick modeling and concept design. But in larger or more complex models, it becomes difficult to see where materials actually live. That makes models harder to debug, harder to clean up, and harder to export to render engines. For predictable results, many professionals choose to apply materials directly to faces. This makes materials explicit, searchable, and easier to replace or export. Groups and components still matter, but they stop interfering with material ownership. When models come from multiple sources or have been worked on for a long time, this structure is often mixed. Cleaning that up manually can take a long time. Ultimate Material Manager is built around this production-friendly approach. It doesn't force you to work a certain way. It helps you normalize materials when you need to. The appearance stays the same, but the material structure underneath is now clean and predictable. That's the core of SketchUp materials: ownership, location, and normalization. Once those three are clear, you stop guessing and you start controlling the workflow.